Let's go back to meteorologist Craig Herrera for a look at today's weather forecast. Looks like things are starting to clear out outside.
Right. Yeah, especially after that foggy start to the morning.
Yeah, no kidding.
A little misty, drizzly. But yeah, we've got big changes for you. So if you like the way you see right now, we're going to have a little more of it before the full winter really kicks in, right?
Good.
Nice.
Yeah, I like
why
that.
not? All right, let's get started right now. We're looking out over downtown. That is what we're talking about. You've got some sunshine out there, some blue. Some of the clouds are pushing over to the east, and yes, most of the Cascade Range is under the clouds, and it'll take some time to clear, but of course we do have some sunshine for you long term. 58 right now is where we're standing at SeaTac, and today's high unofficial so far, 59. As we go through the day tomorrow, we'll be closer to average, which is 62 for this time of year. Of course, records are pretty high, 79 or so. 59 right now at Oak Harbor, 60 at Bremerton, lots of 50s and 60s, and then we've got temperatures coming up a few degrees tomorrow. Here's a look at the satellite and radar over the past 3 hours. A little bit of rain up into the higher elevations. Most of this is energy from a system that passed through, and boy, you can really make out this little counterclockwise rotation right there. Look at that. That is the center of the storm that's swinging on to the south and over to our friends in Idaho, and behind it, high pressure starting to build on in. Yeah, we're talking about high pressure this late in the game, and that is going to keep us dry for several days. In fact, right into the weekend. So here's the Futurecast radar. We've got some clouds tomorrow, some mist, some drizzle for the morning commute. Right along the coast, though, not a whole lot of sunshine for you tomorrow. A lot of cloud cover in place, and then you get some more sunshine as you get to the end of the week. As we get into Thursday afternoon, sunshine just about everywhere, and we'll see numbers come up. Now, as far as rainfall total, as we look out for the next 8 to 14 days, right where we're at, probably going to be right below average for rainfall. So what we had in the past couple of days, we'll take it. After this, looks like we'll dry out for a bit. Let's get over to the tropics, though. Hurricane Michael. Look how massive this is. What we want to watch with this, it is now a Category 3. It's right in the Gulf waters. These waters are right about 80 to mid-80s for water temperatures. Anything above 82 is what gives these storms the fuel to really fire up and really explode. As it goes over those warmer waters, it looks like the cone, the center of the cone, has it right over Panama City. So the National Hurricane Center says, hey, we think it can land anywhere within this cone. Right now, the bullseye is Panama City. When? It looks like later tomorrow. Storm surge up to 13 feet, especially around Big Bend, as the waves come up in this direction, slam into the coast, and you can see some big surge there. Rainfall, up to 12 inches of rainfall. You can see that with the bullseye where those bright yellows are. That's where we're going to see some heavy rainfall. Storm surge can be explained this way. So you've got some rain, a little wind, and hurricanes are coming on in. Sea level rises. The wind drags all of that rain, blows it on over, and you got 10-foot, at least 10-foot storm surge, and a lot of that goes up into two-story buildings easily. We've got lots of warnings and watches in place. Hurricane warnings up and down the coast, up to or more than 300 miles of coastline under these hurricane warnings. So we'll watch this closely. Florida really getting ready for a big storm. Here's a look at our next 7 days, though. We've got 61 for a high tomorrow. As we go into Thursday, the numbers come up to about 63. More sunshine to end the week on Friday. Mark and Lori, Saturday and Sunday look fantastic with mid-60s going right into Monday.